Hey y'all, it's Kay, and we're back with another video. Yay!
It's Kay.
Aren't we proud of me? I'm trying to keep up. It's been a minute, but there's Pookie.
Get you back with another video.
Yeah, after when I post my last one, like a month or so ago. Yeah, but anyway, we're back. We just finished a 15-mile bike ride. So proud of us. That's the furthest we've gone so far. Last time we did, what, 10 miles?
Yeah, almost 11.
Almost 11. Then this time we did 15. We're working our way up to 26 because me and my bike baddies, the bike baddies, we starting a bike group.
It sound like you said back baddies.
Bike baddies. We're gonna do this bike marathon. What do you call a marathon with bikes? A bike-a-thon? Anyway, we're gonna do this marathon. It's the Big Damn 100, I believe, and they have different options of 15 mile. Well, we know we can do the 15 mile, but we're gonna aim for the 26 mile. So yeah, I'm kind of tired, but I'm not tired. I'm hungry, so that's our next stop today, is to get some food, and then yeah, so we'll be back. Okay, hey y'all, so we are back home. Ignore my bed, I did not make it up this morning, so judge your mama. Anyways, we are back at home from our bike ride. Like I said, we did 15 miles. And then we went and ate breakfast / brunch at Big Bag Breakfast, which is like a new restaurant here in Little Rock. And it was pretty good. We gave them like an 8, like 7.5, 8 out of 10. Only because the food was really good. We both got like this breakfast skillet thing, but it's supposed to come with a biscuit, but they didn't have no biscuits, so but she did give us we were able to get the pancakes, and so the pancakes were really good. Did like that. So and then the breakfast skillet was really good too, so that helped them. And then I had a breakfast margarita, which is just pretty much a margarita. It wasn't really hitting on nothing, but I mean, I guess it's breakfast margarita. Can't be too lit at breakfast, but I like my margaritas to be margarita, and then gonna take it to Margaritaville. But all in all, yeah, it was good. We would definitely go back. Now I'm tired, but now I have to do the girls' hair, and then we have a birthday party later. So, and then I have to finish packing later on too for our trip that we're taking in a few days. And of course, I'll bring you guys along with us. But yeah, so let me get on with my day, and I will check back in with y'all later. Good morning. It is currently 6:24 in the morning on Monday. I kind of just left the vlog or the video hanging yesterday, so I want to pick it back up today. Because yesterday was a lot. I was tired. I was so tired. I'm still kind of tired this morning, but I'm gonna work out. I did end up finishing the girls' hair, so I finished combing their hair. We did make it to the birthday party. And what else I do? After that, after combing hair and going to the birthday party, I was just done for the day. So I didn't even finish packing, which I'm gonna finish packing today. I might be making some shirts today, because if you don't know, we do have a apparel company right now, or we have a family-owned company where we're doing t-shirts right now. So we do custom t-shirts, and then we also make our own t-shirts. So I think we have some t-shirts to make today if we can get the materials today. And then I need to clean. I need to retwist my hair. Not the whole head, girl, because I'm tired. I'm finna retwist the front so it's presentable and looks good while we're gone. And then I need to finish washing clothes. So, and of course, I still have to work today. So that's on my agenda today after our workout. Oh, and I need to start packing the kids' clothes because they have to go to Nana's house while we're gone. So, yeah, as you can see, I have a long list of things today. So this is going to be a real quick workout, 30 minutes. I'm not doing nothing super duper crazy just because in my mind, I'm already on vacation. So I'm just doing a little bit to maintain. I'm eating at maintenance right now. I'm just trying to keep my muscles. So I'm just doing a little bit to maintain. And then when I come back from the trip, and that's when, you know, everything will start over, or I'll get back on track and start back eating in the deficit and start back working on my powerlifting goals, which I'll probably talk about that a little bit more. So yeah, let's get through this workout. It feels good out here today. It's not hot. It feels like a little breeze. So those kids will be up any minute anyway. So okay, yeah, let's get this over with. All you need to know. Okay, I'm back. Workout's done. I thought it was gonna be a quick 30-minute workout. Hold on. Okay. So my workout is done. I thought it was gonna be a quick 30-minute workout, but that was a lie. The lie detector determined that was a lie. It was 40 minutes. Thanks to Pookie over there. Can't y'all even see you? Can they see you? That's why they can't see you. Okay, hold on. Yes, you heard me. I thought this was gonna be quick and easy.
We did discuss.
It won't even focus on you because you know it would know you was lying.
We didn't discuss nothing about. We didn't discuss nothing about quick and easy.
I discussed it in my mind because I was already on vacation at this point.
He is on vacation.
I ain't working out tomorrow because if I retwist my hair tonight, I'm not sweat. I can't sweat it out.
Get it in.
No, I can't sweat it. My hair out. Well, that's why my edges look like trash now. I can't take it, obviously. I can't take what I want to take because all I'm taking is a carry-on. Anyways, he cheated. I thought this was going to be a light workout, y'all, but as you can see, it wasn't that much light.
Nobody ever discussed that with me. If you said that, I would have made it light. There's no such thing as no light workout.
Anywho.
Light workout.
Now on to the rest of my to-do list. As you can see, I'll probably start washing clothes next before,
get it in or don't get it at all.
Before I start working. So I'll check back in with y'all. I gotta figure out what I'm gonna eat for breakfast. What you want for breakfast, Pookie?
I'll make my own breakfast.
Okay then. I'm
gonna work out.
Make me and the kids some breakfast, and you do your workout then.
I'm gonna work out. And you know, go give me some tropical smoothie.
Y'all see what I have to deal with?
We're gonna get me some tropical smoothie.
Y'all see the married life is not what it's cracked up to be.
Y'all eat what's in the house.
No, if you want a tropical smoothie, I want some tropical smoothie too. A mocha madness sound real good right about now. We can get tropical smoothie because them kids not gonna eat it. They probably gonna want some cereal.
Yeah, we'll see. I'm gonna get me some.
If I don't come back with tropical smoothie, y'all know he'll lie to me again. Okay, so I guess I kind of throw in a what I eat in a day in this vlog. So even though I'm eating at maintenance, I still want to get my juices and get some nutrition in, of course, because it's a lifestyle. And I call it the Arden's Garden Dupe juice. It's a dupe for Arden. If you don't know, there's a brand called Arden's Garden, and they make a detox drink. It's pretty much just grapefruit, lemon, oranges, distilled water, and I add apple cider vinegar. It doesn't like send you to the bathroom or anything for like number 2, but it makes you pee a lot, which I like that because it helps with like water weight and stuff like that. So I need the water weight gone if I'm gonna be in a 2-piece. As you can hear, the kiddos are up. So yeah, I'm about to drink this before I eat any type of breakfast, and then I'm gonna give these kids their vitamins and fix them some breakfast. And yeah.
We're getting the gummies. We're getting the gummies. Gonna be kind of big. My daddy's working out. We all just gonna be chilling. My mommy gonna be at work. Yeah, that's all I do now. I got the headphones in. Yeah. Bye-bye.
I started eating before I remembered that I was supposed to show y'all what I was eating today, or that I wanted to show y'all what I was eating today, because I'm eating at maintenance right now. But I did get my tropical smoothie, as you can see, and this is basically the Southwest breakfast wrap. And I have a Mocha Madness smoothie. I love them. So yeah, that's what I'm eating for breakfast today. Okay, I'm back much later in the day. I've worked like a slave all day, but I'm coming back with dinner. Y'all seen breakfast. Lunch was a Lunchable. Nothing special about that, just something quick. And so this is dinner. It's some chicken thighs from the air fryer, little rice, little green beans, of course, and some sugar-free, what is that? Sugar-free Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. And then I'm gonna have one of these iced strawberry lemonades, 0 sugar. So yeah, I'll catch y'all back in a little while. Okay, dinner has been eaten, and now I have to make a quick Walmart run, unfortunately, because you know, last minute, you always need something last minute before the trip. So I have to go to Walmart and pick up a few things, but I'll pop back in to show something else that I was eating after dinner, because I have a sweet tooth, and you know, you just need something sweet after you eat. So I got these fudge round minis. They one of my the kids snacks, but it's only 140 calories. And like I said, I'm not really counting calories or anything right now, so I've been eating some cookies. And then run in Walmart, get the 3 things I need, y'all. I only need 3 things, so hopefully I come out with, no, I am coming out with just those 3 things that I need. And yeah, and then I'm gonna come back home, give the girls a bath, and then see if I even got enough energy in me to clean, finish packing, and retwist my hair. So pray for me, y'all. I don't think folks understand how my life just be lifing sometimes, and I just be going. But I'm so excited about a much needed vacation. So okay, let me get to Walmart. Okay, I'm back from the store, obviously, and I've already finished my packing. So now I'm gonna pack the kids up, their stuff up, because they leave tomorrow to go to Nana's house. So I think that's the last major thing I'm gonna do for tonight, and then I have to fill out our travel documents. So I'm gonna pack the kids up, do our travel documents, and retwist my hair, and then that'll be it for the night. And then tomorrow we'll clean, because I'm leaving work early, so we're gonna clean. Addison has a dentist appointment, and then maybe last minute, I can't think of anything else last minute that we might need to do besides cleaning, because you don't want to come back to a dirty house, of course. So tomorrow will be clean. We'll have to go get cash, make sure we got all our documents together. Addison has a dentist appointment, and then we'll drop them off tomorrow. And then we'll be off on our big adventure, our vacation, / my birthday trip. Okay, so I'm going to do this for the rest of the night, and then we'll catch up tomorrow to just check in.
I was there when I needed someone who wasn't getting over you. When I move to the side, when I move, call you mine, and I know what you're feeling. I'ma take you for a ride, let me take it off your mind, cause you know it's a season. And I move, and I move, and I move when I ride, and I move, and I move, and I move when I ride, and I move, and I move, and I move when I ride, and I move, and I move when yeah. I get so tired of making me take a night.
Cause I only want you, yeah. Cause I only want you, yeah. Cause I only want you, baby, yeah. I only want you, yeah, 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 yeah.
Okay, I don't know at what point this vlog has left off on, but as you can see, it's a new day, and this is the day before we leave, so we're just doing last minute cleaning. I still didn't retwist my hair, so I have to figure out what I'm gonna do with the edges. And yeah, so we're just cleaning, packing. So I'm going to end this vlog here, and then of course you guys will catch us in the next one, which will be the actual travel vlog. And then when we get back from our trip, we'll jump back into all of our fitness journey type stuff. So yeah, thanks for watching, and subscribe, like, and share. Thanks.